There are good marketing reasons to have a Facebook profile with the follow button activated. If you are an online business owner and you haven't taken the time to create a Facebook business page, this video is for you, so please stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is me, Teresa. Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about how we can activate follow button on your Facebook personal profile. Of course, we have to be on Facebook. Tap the three lines on the upper right side of your phone screen. Go to Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Then scroll down to Audience and Visibility section. Look for Followers and Public Content. Tap on that. Here you can choose who can follow you. Let's set it to Public. And you can also set your privacy, who can see your followers on your timelines. And you're done. Let's check if your follow button is activated. Go to Main Profile. Then tap the three dots. Go to View As, and there you go. Follow button on your Facebook profile is activated. Reminder guys that activating follow button is optional, but if you're looking for a free strategy in marketing your business, this will be useful to you. Why? Let me give you some benefit with follow button activated. When someone follows you, that someone sees your public post in their news feed. Their friends may also discover your public post when your followers interact with you or when they share your content to their timeline, which may lead to more exposure and the possibility to get more clients or customers. And you can have also an unlimited followers if you activate your follow button. And if you don't like follow button activated, you can always adjust your privacy in privacy settings. That's how you can activate follow button on your Facebook personal profile and how follow button help you in marketing your business. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the bell to get you notified on my next video. See you on my next video. Bye!